Hello there and welcome back to our channel, English with Vevaras. I am Vivian, your dedicated English instructor. Today's focus is something many of us can relate to, that feeling of nervousness while communicating in English. Whether it's in front of a group, during a one-on-one interview, or even in a casual conversation with friends. The sense and unease can truly hinder our progress. But fear not, because in this video, I'm thrilled to share some exceptional strategies to boost your confidence and make speaking English a breeze. So let's jump right into it. Strategy 1. Recognizing your nervousness. First and foremost, it's completely normal to experience nervousness when communicating in a second language. The fear of making mistakes or being misunderstood can indeed be intimidating. But you know what? Mistakes are an integral part of the learning process and personal growth. So let's welcome those nerves and use them as motivation to improve. Strategy number 2, dedicate yourself to practice. The more practice you dedicate yourself to speaking English, the more comfortable you'll become. Perhaps have some conversations with yourself in English, or engage in chats with a friend who's also learning English. Consider maintaining a language journal to jot down new phrases and words that you've picked up. Strategy number 3. Take a deep breath and speak slowly. When we're nervous, the tendency is to speak hastily. Take a deep breath and slow down your pace and articulate your words clearly. Speaking slowly not only enhances your clarity, but it also allows you time to think and choose your words thoughtfully. Strategy number 4, embrace your mistakes. Remember, every mistake is a stepping stone towards improvement. Don't be shy and run away from your errors. They signify that you're pushing your boundaries. If you stumble over a word, take a moment to correct yourself and then continue forward. Strategy number 5, visualization and positive imagery. Visualize yourself speaking with confidence. Picture a positive scenario where you're expressing your thoughts fluently. This mental exercise can actually trick your mind into feeling more at ease when real situations arise. Strategy number 6. Engaging in conversations is a wonderful way to enhance your skills. Join language exchange groups, participate in online forums, become a part of social media communities where you can interact with native speakers and fellow learners. Keep in mind, everyone is on their own learning pathway. Strategy number 7, celebrate your wins. Take a moment to celebrate each small win, no matter how minute. Whether it's correctly using a new word in the right context, engaging in a smooth conversation, or facing a challenge head on, each step forward is a reason to applaud. Recognizing your progress bolsters your confidence and motivates you to continue. That brings us to the end of our valuable tips for conquering nervousness while speaking English. Keep in mind, confidence is a skill that evolves over time. Embrace those nerves, commit to consistency, and always be kind to yourself. You're fully capable of overcoming this, and I'm with you. If you discovered these strategies to be helpful, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. How did you enhance your English journey? Thank you for tuning in, and as always, keep progressing and keep exploring new avenues to use your English in. Until the next video, bye bye.